Xiamen JEENAR's automatic cement loading machine represents a pinnacle in technological advancement, integrating digital control, mechatronics, and servo technology. It operates with remarkable efficiency and stability, boasting an advanced guidance system that directs vehicles to designated loading areas through intuitive sound and light cues. Upon arrival, drivers simply swipe their cards on the interface and initiate the loading process. The system accurately discerns crucial details about incoming vehicles, such as their location, dimensions, and others, making it compatible with a wide array of truck types. Distinguished by its independently developed core distributive technology, this equipment achieves stacking speeds of 100 to 120 tons per hour, ensuring consistent and efficient loading. Featuring two sets of stacking structures, which can freely move laterally, it resolves challenges associated with high-side trucks, facilitating low-level stacking with no breaking the cement bags or causing excessive dust. Another standout feature lies in the stacking structure's ability to closely adhere to the side rack, optimizing carriage space utilization, offering flexibility in stacking methods. The equipment provides three options: horizontal stacking, vertical stacking, and a combination of both, catering to diverse loading requirements across various cement plants and vehicle models. From 1.4 to 3.0 meters in width and 0.7 to 17.5 meters in length, adapting components sourced from globally recognized brands. The machine ensures structural rigidity, longevity, and 24-hour operation. Moreover, this automatic loading machine facilitates automatic segmented loading, featuring adaptive bag stacking designs that mitigate the risk of cement bags slipping or falling. This intelligent cement loading system integrates into rotary kiln production lines and grinding stations, leveraging IoT, real-time data, big data collection, and remote monitoring to enable unmanned operation and improve equipment efficiency and maintainability. By replacing manual loading, it reduces production costs, enhances workplace conditions, and prioritizes the occupational health and safety of workers. This automatic loading machine emerges as the preferred choice for realizing unmanned and environmentally friendly production processes.